Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all of listener or viewer. I am Lois Abe from BS Criminology, and ang topic ng discussion ngayon in this educational video is all about scientific method. Sa video na to, matututunan natin if ano ba talaga yung ibig sabihin ng scientific method, yung purpose nito, at yung mga procedure nito. Pero bago natin simulan ng discussion, may ilang senior high school at high school student akong tinanong if anong idea nila tungkol sa scientific method via messenger. As you can see, lahat ng sagot nila is nagsasabi na ang scientific method ay isang process na nakakakuha ng new knowledge or makakakuha tayo ng new knowledge. Pero ano nga ba talagang ibig sabihin ng scientific method? The scientific method is a step-by-step way of finding answers to questions by testing ideas, called hypotheses. It helps us understand things we observe in the world. What makes it powerful is that it can be repeated and give fair and biased results. Ang sinasabi dito, ang scientific method daw ay isang proseso ng paghahanap ng mga katanungan at paghahanap ng mga solusyon dito sa patas na pamamaraan upang magkaroon ulit ng panibagong ideas, theories, knowledge, discoveries, or new invention. Observation. In the scientific method, observation is the act of noticing and describing events or phenomena using your senses or with the aid of scientific instrument. It's the foundation for formulating questions and hypotheses about the natural world. Observation can be qualitative, describing characteristic, or quantitative, using measurements and number. Sa observation naman, yung sinasabi dito is yung way natin na pagpansin and pag-describe sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid natin is yung way na para makapag-formulate o makagawa tayo ng mga questions at hypothesis na magiging start ng procedure natin sa scientific method.
Good day everyone, I am Angelica Malabanan and I am here to discuss kung ano nga ba yung kahalagahan ng question sa scientific method. So what is question? Question is a second step in the scientific method where you clearly state what you want to find out, understand, or discover. Napaka-importante ng question kasi mas nakaka-focus tayo sa specific problem na kailangan natin ng kasagutan. And kasi kung walang question, hindi natin alam ano nga ba yung mga dapat natin pagpokusan or yung mga dapat natin malaman. At hindi natin mabibigyan ng kasagutan mga bagay-bagay at ang ating mga katanungan. The hypothesis. Hypothesis is a third step in the scientific method where you state your possible answer based on your observation. Ang hypothesis naman, ito naman yung prediction natin sa isang bagay na nakikita natin. Bumabase siya sa ating observation.
Hi, my name is John Peter Asles Manzano, and my topic is experiment and data analysis. Experimentation. This is where the hypothesis is rigorously tested. Researchers design and conduct experiments or gather further observation to collect data that will either support or contradict the hypothesis. This stage requires carefully control of variables, ensuring that only the intended factors is manipulated while others are held constant. Replication of experiments is crucial for establishing reliability and minimizing the impact of random error. Sa experiment naman po, ang mga researchers ang nagde-design at nagsasagawa o nanghalap ng karagdagang data na magpapatunay or kumukontra sa hypothesis. Data analysis. The collected data is systematically analyzed to determine if it supports or refutes the hypothesis. Statistical methods are often employed to interpret the data and assess the significance of the findings. This stage involves careful consideration of potential source of error and bias. Sa data analysis naman, ang nakalap na data ay sistematikong sinusuri upang matukoy kung sinusuportahan o kinokontra nito ang hypothesis. Madalas ginagamit ang mga paraan ng statistic upang bigyan kahulugan ang mga data at suriin ang mga natuklasan.
I'm Phil Silong and the last topic is conclusion. A conclusion is a statement that summarizes the result of an experiment and whether this result support or refute the original hypothesis. It's a crucial step where scientists interpret their findings, explaining what they learned and its significance. Conclusion: show the outcomes and corresponding effect to the experiment. It contained the interpretation of the findings, undermining the success of the experiment.
What is the purpose of scientific method? The purpose of scientific method is to help us systematically understand how things work in the natural world. It gives us a step-by-step process to solve problems, test ideas, and find reliable answers based on evidence, not just opinion. So, ang sinasabi dito, ang purpose ng scientific method is para masiguradong tama and hindi unbiased yung magiging result and hindi lang siya basta hula or opinion. At dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang ating lesson for today. Sana ay may naunawaan kayo or may natutunan kayo tungkol sa scientific method. And that's all. Thank you!